Want to make your Google Slides presentations more exciting and visually appealing? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add pictures to your slides. Whether you're preparing for school, work, or a fun personal project, incorporating images can bring your content to life, help your audience understand your message better, and make your slides much more engaging overall. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. You can type it into your search engine or go directly to the URL. If you're not signed in, log into your Google account. Don't have an account yet? It's free and easy to create, and it gives you access to Google Slides as well as other helpful tools like Docs, Sheets, and Drive. Once you reach the Google Slides homepage, you'll see all your existing presentations. You can start a fresh one by clicking blank or pick a template if you want a pre-designed layout. Templates are great if you want a polished look quickly, but starting blank gives you full creative freedom. Now it's time to add your picture. At the top menu, click Insert. Then select Image from the drop-down menu. Google Slides offers several options for uploading images. You can choose Upload from Computer if your image is saved locally, select Drive if it's in your Google Drive, or pick Photos to use images from your Google Photos library. After selecting your image, click Open or Insert, and it will appear on your slide. You can then click and drag the image to reposition it, or use the corner handles to resize it while keeping the proportions intact. Play around with the placement until it fits nicely with your text and other content. Adding images doesn't just make your slides look better, it helps tell a story, keeps your audience engaged, and highlights key points in your presentation. Experiment with different layouts, combine multiple images, and try layering them for a more professional and dynamic appearance. And there you have it. Adding pictures in Google Slides is simple but incredibly effective in improving your presentations. Keep exploring Google Slides features, get creative, and make your slides truly memorable. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!